In the deep blue sea, there's a tiny creature that breaks all the rules of nature, the seahorse. Unlike any other animal, it's the male seahorse that gets pregnant and gives birth. Yes, the dads carry the babies. He can give birth to over 1,000 babies at once, proving that strength isn't just about power. It's about care. They also dance together every morning, holding tails to stay connected, a symbol of love and loyalty. The seahorse reminds us, real strength is not in fighting, but in loving, protecting, and staying true.